The 2024 Toyota Tundra boasts an aggressive and contemporary exterior design that sets it apart from its predecessors. Presented by Desert Toyota, featuring a bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular body, the Tundra exudes strength and sophistication. Its chiseled lines and prominent fender flares enhance its rugged look, while available options like the panoramic moonroof and 20-inch alloy wheels add a touch of luxury. The bed of the truck is designed for functionality, with a durable composite bed liner and an integrated tailgate step for easier access. Under the hood, the 2024 Tundra is powered by a range of robust engine options, including a highly efficient hybrid powertrain. The base model comes equipped with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque for towing and hauling heavy loads. The hybrid variant combines the power of the V6 engine with electric motors, offering enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising performance. With a smooth, shifting 10-speed automatic transmission and advanced off-road capabilities, including adaptive suspension and all-wheel drive, the Tundra ensures a confident and dynamic driving experience. The back seats of the 2024 Tundra are designed with passenger comfort in mind. The Crewmax cab configuration offers generous legroom and headroom, making long journeys more enjoyable for rear passengers. The seats are upholstered in high-quality materials, with available options for heated and ventilated seats. The rear seats can also be folded up to create additional cargo space, providing versatility for transporting larger items. Inside, the 2024 Tundra features a well-appointed cabin that combines comfort with modern styling. The dashboard is dominated by a large, user-friendly touchscreen display that integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's infotainment system. High-quality materials, such as leather and soft-touch surfaces, are used throughout the interior, creating a premium feel. The Tundra also offers ample storage solutions, including a spacious center console and multiple cup holders, ensuring that all passengers have a place to store their belongings. Technology is at the forefront of the 2024 Tundra, with a suite of advanced features designed to enhance connectivity and convenience. The infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa, allowing drivers to stay connected while on the road. A premium JBL audio system provides an immersive sound experience, while available features like wireless charging and multiple USB ports ensure that devices remain powered throughout the journey. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2024 Tundra, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The truck is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes pre-collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure alert, and adaptive cruise control. Additional safety features, such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, further enhance the Tundra's ability to protect its occupants. Convenience is a key focus of the 2024 Tundra, with a range of features designed to make driving and daily tasks easier. Keyless entry and push-button start streamline access to the vehicle, while the power-adjustable driver's seat with memory settings ensures a personalized driving experience. The Tundra also includes practical features like a power-sliding rear window and an integrated trailer brake controller, making it a versatile choice for both everyday driving and heavy-duty tasks. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com or give us a call at 520-585-5413.